Magandang umaga. I woke up in El Nido. Oh my god, the lens is fogging up. Ooh, it's fogging up really bad. Look.
Oh wow.
Let me wipe this. 早安各位，我们现在在爱尼岛上面。哇，好新鲜的空气。其实还好，其实这边的空气闻起来有点像我外公家乡下的味道，就是他们会烧一些稻草啊、木头啊，就是那种乡下烧柴的味道。现在是早上6点，我们现在要走去海滩。哦，镜头又雾了，这边是很潮湿，因为就是一个很淳朴的乡下。这边有一个人不知道在干嘛，这条小路就会带我们到海滩。这些饭店其实都不贵，美金听说20块就可以住了。我们的饭店是一晚60-70块吧。昨天晚上从韩国到了这边，到了马尼拉，然后再从马尼拉坐飞机到爱尼岛这边，然后全程就是很累，就是要等飞机、等行李，天气又突然从很冷的零下变到现在很热，所以就是非常非常的累。所以昨天我根本就没有录太多的音。OK， 哇，真的很淳朴的地方。现在是早上的快要6点，已经感觉到非常的闷热。哇哦，海水好近哦！天啊，根本就没有海滩啊，直接就是海水。
High tide.
Wow, it's beautiful. 哇，看看这个，太美了吧！哇，好美哦！刚刚飞了一下空拍机，我们要回饭店去吃早餐。小黑狗还在后面，好可爱哦。We're going to breakfast now. 现在要去吃早餐。这是our pool, courtyard, everything up there. Drinks just got delivered, and a plate of fresh fruit. An egg, cucumber, thank you. 3 eggs. And this is
Tocino, pork tocino. So it seems on El Nido, there's 4 different boat tours you can take, and the prices are all pretty much fixed. You can't really bargain as an individual, maybe as a tour group or as a big group of people. We are doing the I think it's like the they call it Hidden Treasures Tour, Group C, or Tour C. It's the most expensive one at 1,400 Filipino pesos per person. It's all day. It starts at around 8 o'clock where they pick you up at the hotel and ends around 4 o'clock. It's supposed to be a bunch of different lagoons, a bunch of different cool sites where they take you around. And they have snorkeling options too, so we can snorkel as well. So it should be really fun to do. So I'm really excited. I'm just gonna finish my breakfast right now and then digest and we'll be on our way.
我们今天的 Tour C 被 cancel 掉了，所以今天 要去玩的是 Tour A， 应该也是很棒。A 和 C 是网络上最多人推荐的。然后我们现在在等我们的巴士。Here's our bus, riding on the back. 天哪，要怎么上呢？
Good job, honey.
Yay. Come on.
When do we ever get to do this?
And guys, don't push me.
刚从卡车上下来，然后现在跟着这个人，不知道带我们去哪里，可能带我们去搭船的地方吧。就是带我们到搭船的地方。哇，好美哦！ I have to put this over my head. Whoa. Whoa, that's pretty high. Had to go from the shore to this boat and I'm completely soaked. Didn't know I was gonna be wet already, though.
So 5 destinations for today. This is one our first, just at smaller gun. Lagoon.
We're getting on the kayak to go over to the lagoon. Yay, we're on the kayak. Say hi, honey. Say hi, honey. Say hi. Do you say hi, honey? Hello? Do you say hi?
Hi.
Yay. 滑呀滑，滑呀滑，好美哦。然后进去这边有一个小洞。 Oh, this feels good. Oh, feels better in the shade. Right, we're heading out, heading back to. So beautiful. 超美的水好清哦，除了 so beautiful 不知道要说什么，就是整个就是很像在梦里面的一样。
It's a really pleasant lagoon here. A little bit hot in the sun, but when you get into the shade over there, really pleasant, very serene. Wish I could take a nap. Okay, I think our time's up. We gotta head back. Let's go.
Going back to the ocean. Whoa. That's where our boat is.
Hey,
Want me help paddling?
the engine.
Want me help paddling?
Nope, you don't have to help.
Huh?
Nope, you're fine. Chill out.
Oh, 翻船了。Just hold on to this. I sit there.
One by one.
Hold my one.
Yep. Oh God.
Okay.
Okay. That's good.
I'm already bleeding. 好可怕。Be careful, the rock is huge.
I know.
好痛。Thank you. Ooh, we made it back. How was that, honey?
It's better than that guy.
这边有人摔倒了，我们安全上场。
Not easy. How you doing?
我们前下去看到你有鳄鱼。 Okay, we need to go back. I wanna go back.
Go back.
我要上船了。哎呦，靠近这个山崖边，而且很怕会踢到珊瑚，好累啊。We're getting off the boat again. This time we're gonna go on the beach and have lunch. 第三个景点 ，Ready for lunch.
My hair looks great.
Take a look what we have here. Table of lunch. That looks so good. 拿到我的份了，超级丰盛的，有鱼有虾，有squid， 还有猪肉，还有鸡肉，还有沙拉，超赞的哦。
Yeah, swollen too.
Woo. This is our third stop.
The fourth. This one's your three.
Oh man. This is our final stop.
This is our fourth stop. We have one more.
Okay, final.
We have one more.
One more?
Yeah.
This is our fourth stop. One more to go. This one looks really interesting. Did you get a video of that?
I did. Last one, yay! Let's go ahead. I guess I'm going first.
Sit down first, sir. And then turn around. Turn your legs, turn your legs. Okay, got it. Stretch foot. Just a few.
What happened on the way here?
Person fell.
Owie. Okay, we're making our way out of here. Bye, Secret Lagoon. That was fun. If you're afraid of falling, this is the way to get back to the float back. We're walking. Hello everybody, we're back from the ocean. It's too windy today, so we took tour A. Now we're going to a beach area.
Yep.
This place called Bird Cage or Birdhouse. We'll go find out. There's a cute. Hello guys, it's actually only 9 p.m. We're beat, ready to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us island hopping, snorkeling, getting our kayak capsized. We'll say goodnight here for today. I'll see you early tomorrow morning. Good night.
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call it? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for walking, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world.